original Hugging on Your Cocoa song. Remember me?
No, don't say it like that. Listen.
All right, Ants in Your Milk.
The Spanish man was getting some help at home, and he just couldn't handle it very well.
And so it came
And
up.
he
Perfidia
coined
is Spanish
these
for
lyrics.
faithlessness.
Yes. Unfaithful
So
spouse.
we're going to jump right over to 1965, and then...
But hold on a little, God. Perfidia from our girl, Phyllis.
Yeah.
As a youth growing up, you could never tell
could
me
never
that this
tell me
wasn't
that's
our
not-
original
Yep,
song.
yep.
You could never have told me. It's as you start, you get a little more sensible, you start collect music, and you start to put the two together. And, I cannot, understate the value of a program like this, because it really forces you to get into the depth of knowledge of your music. But back to you, boss.
Yeah, I was going to go to 1965 with a little song called Baby, I'm Yours. And yep. That, and then J.C. Lodge did it over in 1980, 15 years later. So Barbara Lewis did the song Baby, I'm Yours, 1965. We're going to kick it off with the Barbara Lewis and then head over to J.C. Lodge. All right, so you got back-to-back J.C. Lodge. So we played Baby, I'm Yours, originally done by Barbara Lewis. Then in 1978, Charlie Pride did Someone Loves You, Honey, followed by J.C. Lodge, 1980, two years later. I know you have something to say about that song, Richie.
The man asked Charlie Pride connection was said it was done by Joe Gibbs and the Professionals. And there's no question about J.C. Lodge. What's her name? June
Carroll Lodge.
Carroll Lodge. No doubt about her ability, her vocal chords, whatever. And she did a really nice job of the song, except it wasn't her song. And the record company put it out as her original and wrote themselves into the song as well. And the Charlie Pride people say, you need to change that and give the credit to the original owner of the work. And long story short, that eventually resulted in the demise of Joe Gibbs, the Joe Gibbs label, because the Charlie Pride connection reportedly took legal action many years later. And according to Dog newspaper, them just come there with a big old slave chain and tie on the gate. And that was it.
Shuttered. Then we went into the big bad song, 1969, Patty Drew, The Love That a Woman Should Give to a Man, and Phyllis Dillon's version. Boy, I tell you, one of the things that I've realized with Jamaican music is just how it just nice up the original. I mean, the man them just own the music, and no one can tell us it's not the original. That
you use the correct term, I see Magic round the back there, enjoy. Magic, you have your book and pencil, because you need to get, where you say God? You need to have him book, him slate and pencil, and take notes.
And if a slate pencil broke,
Yeah.
a piece of stone.
You get a piece of stone and write on the slate.
That's correct, sir.
But
We're up on a break, so when we get back, I know Richie, hold your thought. I treat him like doctor. Hold that thought. We're up on a break,
that's it.
and we'll be right back.
Mash me up.
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yardmedia.com, where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
My name is Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie.